Okay, so here we are, Area 47, getting ready for the big adventure. I'm not really sure about the outfit. What are those? It's going to be funny, I guess.
C'est Adidas.
C'est Adidas. And here we have like our second camera woman, Insta360 from China. Say hi.
Hi from China.
Hi from China.
Hi from Japan.
Hi from China.
That's racist. On coupe.
Why we do this again?
Because it's fun.
Alles gut.
Hey everyone! The sun's out, the water's sparkling. Perfect day for some epic wakeboarding. 4 riders are ready to tear it up. Watch Tim and Andreas closely. These two are full of surprises. So grab your shades, hang on tight, and get ready for insane tricks, big laughs, and maybe a few wipeouts.
Yo!
Feel like summer in Ibiza, taste like honey when I see ya. I can't help it, I'm obsessing. Oh my God, I wanna feel ya. Watermelon, sugar sweet, now we're sitting on the beach. I can't help it, I'm obsessing. Oh my God, I wanna feel you right now. You feel the way that I feel now. Done set, please get closer to me now.
Aber da geht's jetzt easy. 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 Easy.
Really good, ready for our rendezvous. I can't keep my hands off you. All alone inside my room. Nothing that I wouldn't do for you. Go for you, go for you.
Oh, okay.
Feel now, don't set, breeze, get closer to me now. God, I wanna feel
Das auch umsetzen.
Scheiß Niemand.
Nice! That was a great one!
Namaste and welcome to Area 47 News. Today, the world holds its breath. On the left, Andreas. Smooth like butter naan. On the right, Tim. Spicy and bold as curry. Only one will win the legendary silver wakeboard crown. Stay tuned, drama is floating on the water. And now, I pass to my colleague on site. He promised me chai after this, so he better do a good job.
Alright everyone,
Huh.
here we go. On the left, Andreas is gliding with astonishing poise. Look at that control, sheer elegance. And on the right, Tim is matching him perfectly, floating like he owns the water. Unbelievable balance, folks. Andreas keeps it smooth, just slicing through the wake, while Tim mirrors every move, side by side, a masterpiece of wakeboard synchronization. Every second is pure tension, pure excitement, as they glide, glide, glide.
Tim is on fire today. What a line.
Who knew simple sliding could look so dramatic? Andreas and Tim, making the water their stage, absolutely mesmerizing. What a show. What a spectacle. And yes, the excitement keeps building as they just keep going, effortlessly. Gravity 1, Tim 0. Pure energy, that's our champion right there. The kicker is coming, and is ready.
Ein und Flug!
Alles gut?
Like this on the water. Oh, my head also hurts.
Willst du einen Schluck trinken, ne?
Nein, das geht nicht gut. Aber ich glaube, ich mach nicht nochmal. Ich glaube, bald. Gute Experience.
Also ich fand